So you want your video to turn from a portrait to a landscape like this. So I'll show you what to do. So once you open your Premiere Pro, you click on the timeline, you come to your sequence here, go to your sequence setting here. Once your sequence setting is open, what you have to do next is to make sure you flip these two values. You flip these two values, this horizontal and this vertical value. So what you have to do now is to change it to 1920, and the other side to 1080. Just flip the values, and once you flip the values, you click on OK down here. Okay, what you have to do next is to come to your rotation here and change this value of your rotation to 720 or -720 or -720, depending on how you want your visuals to be like here. So this is how to just do it. So yeah, you change your sequence setting and you change your rotation. Yup. So that's it. Thank you and subscribe.